So guys, that was our home page. Now let's get started with the custom login and registration system. So first of all, I want to create a registration system, and inside the registration system, a user can register their account. But I'm not going to create a model for the login system right now. The model for the login page, as I show you already in the first video, because I'm going to create that when I create the login system. So let's get started with a simple registration system with simple registration form. So first of all, what I want to do is just add a new here and call it register.blade.php. I'm going to save this register.blade.php and I'm going to give it HTML. I'm going to create a division and After that, I'm going to close this division. So first of all, what I want to do is create a form over here. Action equal to something. I'm not going to give an action right now. So create a method like this. I want to close my form action and method. Now I want to create a input type equals to text, and I want my value to be nothing right now, but it will have use in future, and I will show you what. And I'm going to create a placeholder, and I'm going to give the name of, in the inside placeholder I'm going to give name, first name of user, so first name. I also want to create a label over here, so yeah, label, and I want the label to be first name. I'm going to close this label. So I want to save it. I'm going to my web.php, and before all that I also want to create my controller for my registration system. So if you are new with Laravel, I already told you you should know the basic of Laravel so that you know what we are doing. And if you have known Laravel since while and have a basic knowledge of Laravel, you must know what I'm doing. So it is not getting, so it is not agro project, it is agro project, something like this. And I'm going to write php artisan make controller register controller. So make that controller for me, and it is taking time. So until it is done, I'm going to my route. Now inside my route, I'm giving the get method. I'm closing my route. So here I'm writing register. So when I browse or search register on my web browser, I need to get the register controller. It will search for the register controller, and it will search inside the index function that I will just create. So let's see if the controller is created or not. So controller created successfully. So controller will come here inside my app, inside my HTTP controllers, and here is the registration controller. So as I said, when I search for register, it will take me to the register controller, which is this controller, and inside the public function, but inside the index function, sorry, but I have not any index function. So let's create an index function, and I'm going to create the public function index, and I'm going to return here return view, and what I'm going to return is the name of the register.blade.php, the name of the view of register. So it is register, and it will give me register, but I don't want this index, it is so boring. So I want the name to of function to be so register. It is going to show me the register. So since I made change here, I need to change this index to show register as well, and spelling is correct. So I think it should do thing for me right now. So let's get rid of this and go to register, and let's see if it works for me or not. So yeah, it is giving me the first name, so which is fine. So let me include and provide the link of Bootstrap inside this as well. So I'm going to copy this Bootstrap link, and I'm going to paste it inside my register.blade.php just below over here. So in my division, first of all, I want to create a center tag. I'm going to close the center tag. I'm going to give it the heading, and I want to close it, and my heading will be register your company here. So this will be my heading, and I want to give the name of a class to my form. So the class will be form control, and it should do fine, work fine for me. So okay, but the form control is not working at all. So first of all let me style my page like this. I want my label to be styled, and I want the font size of my label to be 18 pixel. Let's see where that will take me. Okay, that is fine, but I'm getting something weird out here. First name is 18, that is fine. So form control label, and I want my form to be So my form, I want it to be have width of something like 70% will do, I guess. So let's take a look. It is not fine, it is quite long, so I want to make it 50%, and it is quite good, but 40 will make it even sweet, I guess. And if you already know how to make all this and decorate all this, then you should not waste this time on these things. You can directly move forward than me, and then go to and just forward this video and just go to this directly to the system that will create if you don't want to waste your time in this decoration part. So basically I'm going to create a break line over here. So break, and give me this. Yeah, this is fine. So this will be the first name, but my placeholder is not coming and I don't know why. So place and the spelling of holder is wrong, so please make it right, my friend, and give me the placeholder like this first name over here. So this is working fine. I'm going to copy this because I don't want to waste my time with all this, as I already told you, and I'm going to paste it over here, here, and here like this. So this will be my first name. Label, I want to break line in between every part of this function, this input type. So break line, and it will do. So this is my first name. This should probably be my last name. This should be my, so my last name placeholders will be last name as well. My email should be given here, so it will be email, and input type will be email as well. And I have forgotten to give a name in this, so name will be f name. I'm going to copy this, paste it, it will be last name. I'm going to copy this, it will be email, and it will be email as well, like enter your email will do, good, I guess. And I'm going to paste it, and it will be my password, so it will be like this password. So the input type will also be password, and my name will be password as well. So here it will be enter your password. So fine with password. Now I'm going over for my password confirmation. So confirm your password. Now input type will be password again, and name will be password confirmation, and placeholder value is fine. Placeholder will be re-enter your password. So let's see what we are going to get. So this is absolutely fine. So I have this, enter your password, enter your email, last name, and it is good. And now what I want to do is create a submit button right here, and I want to make it input type equals to submit. I want to give it a class, and the class will be from bootstrap button primary will do the job for me. I want the value to be register, and I want to give it a name called register. So if I'm going to see it here, it is fine, but I need to break line because that is going to make a little bit more difference and show it in a little bit clear way. So I think it is fine. Register your company here. You can style it any way you want. You can change background image, color, width, height, but it's all up to you. So I'm ending up decorating up to here. So let's not waste time. Let's go to our route, and inside route I'm going to create another route. And what is happening, I don't understand. So route, and I'm going to make a post route because I want to post, and the name it will be same register, and here I want to go. So when I type register with my post route, I want it to go to register controller @register, which will be my function. Register will be my function. I'm going to give a name to this route, and the name will be register as well. Okay, fine, this will work. Now I need to go to my register controller and create a new function. I'm going to copy it and paste it, so my function will be register only. I have to throw this out, so this is fine. And I want to return here I am something like this. Wait to see if it register or not. So let's refresh it, and I want to register, and it's giving me something that I don't want. So let's I haven't given the route to my form action, so my method is post, because my route is so that I have made the route post, and my action will be something like this. In my action I'm going to give a route, and the name of a route was simply register. So I'm registering it again. I'm going to refresh it first. Register, token mismatch, verify CSR token. So what I'm going to do now for this problem is simply maybe create a CSRF field will do. Let's see. CSRF field, inside this like this and like this. Let's refresh, let's type register, and it is giving me exactly what I want. So thank you very much for that. Now without any further ado, let's remove this. This was just for checking, so I want to validate all that first. So this I want to create a validation function, and I want to pass dollar request to my function. So the register after my form action post method through form action, what I'm going to Laravel will give the class, and it will give me every information that I input inside that form and save it inside this class called request, and I have to type here request. It will do. So this validation function will get request. Now let's create that validation function too. So inside this public function validation, and this validation of course contain request that I just give it here. So inside this request, what I want to do is return something for me, and what I want you to return is this validate, and this validate contain dollar request and something like this, and inside this I want to validate everything. So what I want to do is my name, I want it to be it should be like this, required, and I want the maximum length to be 255. So it will do for me. Now copy it, paste it, paste it, paste it. Now a second should be email, required, it should be email should be required, and yes, so it will be password, and it is something like this. So password is required, and I want the password to be hidden. So let's not do like that. So let's do password, and let's see if it works or not. So another is password confirmation, and it should confirm my password. So let's see whether the validation really works or not. So okay, fine. Now let's go over here. Let's enter my last name will be this, my email will be this, my password will be this, confirm password will be this, and I want to register it. Please include asterisk in the image. So this is fine. My email is working, but my confirm password is quite doomed with itself. So let's say required password. I don't need to do this, I suppose. I want my email to be unique too, but not hang over that right now. We are going to make it. So required confirmed max, this will do. I'm getting an error. So if I'm going to register it right now like this, it will not register because registered 24. What I have just done here, I haven't closed it. Is that a problem? So let's do like this, and other file not included. So what it will do, it will redirect me to the same page because I haven't filled everything and we have this required inside our validation. So let's keep it up to here. Now what I'm going to do is I want to create everything of this inside my database. So I want to create everything of this inside my database. Now I need to create a database first. So first of all I'm going to do is run this env file, and I'm going to do all this in my upcoming videos because it is going to take me time and this video will be very long and I don't want that. So let's keep it up to here. We are going to create it in our next video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned and please like and subscribe my video.